Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers once again. So in today's DILR set of the day, we are going to discuss a very good set on entry-exit type set. Generally, we do such type of sets in two variables, but what makes this set special is we are introducing a third variable. So it is a kind of an entry-exit set, but it has three variables in it, right? The optimum time to do this set will be around 12 minutes, right? So if you are able to do it in 12 minutes, you are really good at it, okay? So, and just an overview, we have just started our crash course. If you have not enrolled yet, you can visit our website and enroll, right? And if you have any doubts, you can text me at this number. It is one of the finest tools if you are looking for the boost up in your score. Okay. Let us see what today's set is all about. Set में कहता है exactly 8 delegates A through H attended a conference and each of them gave a presentation at a conference. Okay. All the 8 presentations were scheduled continuously, one after the other, and no other presentations were made at the conference. तो 8 ही presentation हुई, 8 ही लोग गए थे, उन्होंने presentation दी. Further, all the 8 delegates arrived at different times and departed at different times. So 8 लोगों ने entry ली, वो अलग-अलग time पे ली, 8 लोगों ने जो exit लिया, वो अलग-अलग time पे लिया. In such a way that each of them arrived exactly 10 minutes after the previous delegate arrived. So one delegate if arrived at 10, the other delegate arrived at 10:10, 10:20. And similarly, if one delegate left at 10:20, other left at 10:30 and so on. So this is the kind of structure given to me now. Now, if I see this question, now the information I have, H arrived immediately before E arrived, but after H arrived and before G left. So there are three type of variables I have: entry, exit, and meeting. So for these, there will be 8 rows in which people will be arranged, right? So I just have to dump this information and sort it out. Let's start writing whatever is given to us. There are three type of things: entry, exit, and presentation. So entry, presentation, and exit. There are three types, right? Now, कहते हैं H arrived. So there are three type of variables. Whatever it is, I'll just keep writing. H arrived immediately before E arrived. So H E से तुरंत पहले आया. But after F arrived, लेकिन F के बाद. Now this is not after immediately after. So it can be anywhere, right? It can be anywhere. Okay. And he left before G left. So H left before G left. So H left before G left. Right. This is the flow. Okay. Now the second point says C left before D's presentation started. तो जो D की presentation थी उससे पहले ही C exit भी कर गया. अब अगर C exit उससे पहले किया है तो can I say उसकी presentation भी उससे पहले होगी, right? If the person is exiting, he must have presented also before the person, specific person, right? Okay, fine. Now F, who gave the last presentation? So F gave the last presentation. Arrived exactly at 11 a.m. So F arrived at 11 a.m. and left immediately after D left, but was not the last delegate to leave. So F was not the last person to leave, but immediately left after D. So D and F are a pair. Okay, fine. This point is also taken care of. Exactly 3 delegates gave their presentation after C's presentation, but before G's presentation. C के बाद और G से पहले exactly 3 लोग थे, right? Okay. And in this order only. Okay. D arrived immediately after A's arrival. So D arrived immediately after A's arrival and gave his presentation before E's presentation. So D gave his presentation before E's presentation. So D and E are also a pair, right? Okay. This point is also taken care of. Exactly 1 delegate arrived between A and B. So A और B के बीच में exactly एक आया. That also means that this is also possible. One person gave a presentation between A and B. So A space B, B space A, and one person left between A and B. So A space B, B space right. Okay. G arrived immediately after C and also left immediately after C. So G arrived immediately after C and also left immediately after C. Okay. A finished his presentation before either of them arrived. So जो A की presentation थी ना, वो इनके आने से पहले खत्म भी हो चुकी थी. A की जो presentation है वो C और G की entry से पहले ही खत्म हो चुकी थी. This is given to us. Okay. So now I have only one fixed thing, that is the presentation. So let me start with that only because मेरे पास एक ही चीज फिक्स है and also इसके बीच में देखो 3 का गैप है, 2 का गैप है, तो कम केस में बनेंगे शायद. Let's try to fit in the things here, right? Okay. So G space space C. Let's say G space 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 C. Now I have to fit in other variables. Let us see. I try to fit uh, A space B. A space B is not possible here. A space B. A and B are interchangeable. Okay. And D and E are a pair, so D and E will come here. H will come. This is one possible case, right? Let's think about something else. B, if I shift it one place up, G triple space and C. Okay. Okay. G triple space C. A इससे पहले आएगा बिकॉज ए हैज प्रेजेंटेड बिफोर सी. ठीक है. ए की जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो सी से पहले खत्म हो चुकी है. ए फिनिश्ड बिफोर सी, राइट. तो ए विल कम बिफोर सी. सो ए space C space B. Now D and E are a pair, so D and E and then H and then this is one possible thing, right? Okay. Now there cannot be another case because C को अगर मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ तो A इससे पहले आ ही नहीं पाएगा, right? And obviously here A and also A B can also no, here A and B cannot interchange, right? Here also A and B cannot interchange because A जो है C से पहले ही आएगा. Okay. Okay. So this is done. So there are two cases for our presentation. Now entry and exit. Let's talk about these things now. So if I see exit now, all right, entry के बाद अगर मैं exit देखता हूँ, F यहाँ पे तो आ नहीं सकता. Okay. C ने exit लिया है D से पहले. C ने अगर D से पहले exit लिया है, तो कहना है से D के बाद जितने भी लोगों की presentation होगी, C ने इनसे पहले भी exit लिया होगा, right? If C has taken an exit before D, which means all the people who presented after D, C exited before them also, right? It makes sense. Which means that at least there have to be 4 spaces after C left. C के जाने से बाद 4 spaces तो कम से कम होनी चाहिए हमारे पास, right? Okay. So C and G are a pair. So C को मैं यहाँ लिख लेता हूँ. And H came before C. So C and G are a pair. So let us try to fit in CG. CG यहाँ नहीं आ सकता. H has to come before G, right? If I keep C here, if I keep C here, G is here. H has to come before this. Now A space B, A space B. D and F are a pair. It is not possible. A space B. D and F are a pair. This is not possible. Okay. अगर मैं लिखूँ A space B, then D and F can come here and E can come here. This is one possibility, but this possibility is there when C and G are here. Now let me try to keep C and G here, right? If I keep C and G here, then H has to come before it. A space B, A space B. D and F cannot come here, right? Because H को उससे पहले आना है. So D and E भी यहाँ भी नहीं आ सकते. So if I keep A and B here, then D and F cannot come here, and D and F cannot here come here also. H ने पहले आना है, right? Which means this is not possible arrangement. If I keep C and G here, now A and B can come upwards and downwards. So if A and B are here, H has to come before C. D and F, then E will come here, right? अच्छा, अगर मैं C और G को यहीं रख देता हूँ और A और B को यहाँ रखता हूँ, then D and F कैन नॉट कम हियर बिकॉज ए एन एग्जिट ले लिया उनसे पहले, राइट. DNF कैन नॉट कम हियर, H कैन नॉट कम हियर, सो दिस इज नॉट अ पॉसिबल केस, right? This is not a possible case. There are only two cases possible when it comes to this, right? Okay, so exit is also sorted. Now we were given that C exited before D. ठीक है, C की मीटिंग C ने एग्जिट ले लिया जब D की मीटिंग हुई भी नहीं थी, विच मीन D के बाद जितने भी लोग हैं ये सब ने C के तो बाद ही प्रेजेंट किया होगा, राइट. राइट, E ने, G ने, F ने, H is the odd one out here, right? Okay, D E G H, D E G H, H H. If I see H has taken exit before C, H ने C से पहले exit ले लिया. If H has taken an exit before C, which implies that H must have presented before C. अगर H ने C से पहले exit लिया है तो H ने present भी तो C से पहले ही किया होगा ना. ऐसा तो हो ही सकता कि यार H ने exit ले लिया और H ने present नहीं किया, right? A person must present before he exits. Now if H is exiting before C, which means H has presented before C, which means that this case in which H is presenting after C is not a valid case, which means only one case for presentation is there, that is this case. Only one case is left. Now let's talk about the entry part. अब entry में अपने पास क्या क्या possibility है? Entry में अपने पास possibility okay. See, A का जो हमें पता था, A finished his presentation before they arrived. A ने अपनी presentation C और G से पहले खत्म कर ली है, which means this pair has to come before C and G, right? Also H ने अपनी presentation A से भी पहले खत्म कर ली. H has also presented before A. Now if H has presented before A and C and G came after A, which means C and G came after H also. अब ये तो हो सकता है C और H उससे भी बाद में आए और पहले प्रेजेंटेशन कर ली हो, राइट. अगर H की प्रेजेंटेशन A से पहले है और A की प्रेजेंटेशन C और G से पहले खत्म हो चुकी है तो H भी उससे पहले ही आया होगा. अब अगर H पहले आया which means H and E are a pair, so H and E भी पहले आए होंगे. And then F also must have come before them because F came before them, right? Which means these three people in any order came before them. So these six people came before them. So actually the only place left for C and G is last two places. और कुछ तो बचा ही नहीं C and G, right? And now let's try to fit in other variables. मुझे पता है F, H और E पहले आए हैं. पहली बात, अगर मैं F, H और E रखूँ, F, H, E, A, D, B, A, D, B, C, G. This is one possible arrangement. Okay. Now ADB यहाँ पे आया है. Let's say if I keep ADB here, then H and E cannot come anywhere because F has to come before them. It is not possible. If I keep ADB here, then H and E can come here, F can come here, right? If I keep ADB here, then F, H, and E, C, and G. These are the cases possible for entry, right? Okay, last, B space AD. So if B space AD, C and G are already here, right? Then only one case will arise when H and E are here and F is here. इसके सिवाय तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता, because if B space AD यहाँ आ गया और C और G यहाँ पे है, then there are no two places available for pair of H and E. तो वो possible ही नहीं. So in nutshell, there are 4 cases for entry, 1 case for presentation, and 2 cases for exit. These are our cases, right? Now, depending upon the questions, we have to pick. कहता, who gave the presentation immediately after H? This is unique. A gave the presentation immediately after H. Okay. If H has the conference at 11:30, if H left the conference at 11:30, then who was the first delegate to arrive? Who was the first delegate to arrive? So if H has left at 11:30, which means this person left at 11:40, this person left at 11:50, this is 12, 12:10, 20, 30 and 40. Similarly 11:30 अगर यहाँ पे exit हुआ है, then A exited at 11:20, 11:40, 11:50, 12, 12:10, 20 and 12:30, right? एंड F का मुझे टाइम दिया हुआ था एंट्री का भी 11 बजे का. F entered at 11. F entered at 11. Now if F entered at 11 a.m., F entered at 11 a.m., then what is the total duration? The total duration is this person. So 11:10, 11:20, 11:30, 11:40, 11:50, 12, 12:10, which means D is leaving at 12:10 in this case, D is leaving at 12:10 in this case. Sorry, coming, entering at 12:10 in this case. In this case, he must be entering. In this case, he must be entering at 12. And in this case, he must be entering 11:10, 11:20, 11:30, 11:40. These are the cases. Okay. See, G can at max exit at 12 o'clock. G के पास exit का time है ही नहीं 12 से ज़्यादा. If G is exiting before or at 12, which means G must have come before 12, तभी तो वो 12 बजे exit कर सकता है. अगर G आएगा ही 12 बजे के बाद, तो वो कैसे exit करेगा उससे पहले, right? Which means there is only one possible case of this. According to this question, according to this condition, there is only one possible case. And if there is only one possible case, there is only one answer. Then who was the first delegate to arrive? A was the first delegate to arrive. So answer is again A to this question, right? Yeah. So this question is also taken care of. Last, if D stayed at conference for the maximum duration among the 8, अगर D को maximum duration के लिए रखाना है तो मतलब D को जल्दी से जल्दी लेके आना है और लेट से लेट भेजना है, right? Which means this case, D exiting here, right? D exiting here and D entering over here, because in this case only I am keeping the difference as maximum as possible, right? Okay. Okay. So F has entered at 11, right? F has entered at 11. In this case, D is here. So D is exiting. Okay, fine. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास उसका duration आएगी. Then who left the conference immediately after F? Who left the conference immediately after? In this case, immediately after F, E has left. E has left immediately after. So the answer to last question is E. Now this completes our set. As I told you, a pretty interesting one when it comes to entry exit type. I hope you have enjoyed the information and the explanation. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel and spread it to your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.